the child that did ask for
po akende koluka vie na ye,
so that he must go and look
po
for his
akende
life,
kosala vie na ye,
so that he may go and
po
do his
akende
life,
koprofite na reste de sa vie ailleurs.
so that he must go and do the rest of his
Tata ya
life.
mwana oyo apesaka ye bozwi,
The father of this child that give him
po akende kosala vie na ye,
so that he must
po
go and do
asengaki
his
part na
life,
ye,
because he's asking for
bapesaki ye mpe
his
part
part,
na ye.
and they give him also his part.
Etango akendaki kuna,
And when he went
na
there,
bisika komaki,
where he
na
did
place
reach,
asala ta baaffaire,
instead of doing some
ezalaki nde le
business,
contraire.
it was the contrary.
Mwana beta shiti,
The child go
azwa
down.
mama na kakato,
The child receive kick.
mwana kweya par terre.
The child fall
Pe par
down.
terre akweya wana kweya te suka bongo bandumba balia ye na mbongo.
The way he fall down, it was not just he fall down, but
Mususu ameleli masanga.
all the bitches did eat all his
Mwana
money.
tikala pauvre na un dernier temps, c'est donc na pete boye.
The child it remained poor in few minutes,
Et mwana wana kiolia biloko ya bangulu.
and that child went to eat food of
Mais tango
pigs.
totangi na verset o malamu,
But when we read next,
balobi
in
que
this
cet
verse,
enfant akende avivraki dans la débauche.
they are saying this child did live in debauch.
Balobi que pendant temps oyo yakendaki ko vivre na bisika za kuna, donc vie ne nyonso amenaki wana kati ya débauche.
So they are saying that all the time that he passed there,
Na mwa espace amuki azwaki.
in what, in that side, he were only living in debauch, in that small space that he get.
C'est-à-dire quoi?
It means what?
La débauche c'est quoi?
Debauch is what?
La débauche ezali ke
Debauch is like
moto to pe mutu oyo vivre na eloko osala yango dans l'exagération, to exagère.
debauch is when somebody is living in something and is doing it overloaded.
Azopose ba acte moko oyo ezomeme tout droit au péché, mais azosala yango l'habitude.
He's doing action that is pushing him directly to sins, but he's making it in habit.
La débauche ezali pratique de tout moment.
Debauch is a practice of every time,
Exagéré sikoyo.
exaggerated.
La débauche peut pesaka mutu identité.
Debauch also used to give a person
Oui.
identity.
Il peut pesaka
Yes.
mutu identité.
It used to give a person
Par
identity.
exemple, soki mutu aza impoli,
Like for example, if a person is
balobaki
impolite,
ah mwana wana aza na impoli.
they'll say, ah, this child is
Donc,
impolite.
c'est déjà wana déjà bapesi identité selon façon de vie na ye.
So they already give him an identity according to the way he's living.
Soki pe mutu wana yibaka,
If also this person used to
akota
steal,
ba prison abima bakanga balemba kutu.
he entered prison, he get out, even soldiers are trying to arrest him.
Ata babengi kombo ne pa mutu akante to voisin na ye.
Even if they call his name to a neighbor, or
Na
to
suka
somebody
osanga
else,
obakisa te ki azaka voleur.
in the want, they will steal
Ata soki mopaya ye koluka ye.
even if like a person come to visit,
Soki afutani na voisin na ye.
if that visitor meet with the
Voisin na
neighbor,
oyebisa
the
ye.
neighbor will tell him,
Tala, oyoluka nani?
you come to look for who?
Mutentel.
This
Muyibi wana.
person, this thief,
Voleur wana.
this thief.
Oh, azaka sikuna.
Oh yeah, it's that side.
Pourquoi?
Why?
À d'autres points afingi te.
In another place, he didn't
Po
decide
eza travail ya mutu wana.
because it's the work of that
Eza
person.
musala ya mutu wana.
It's the work of that
La
person.
Bible dit que vous les rencontrez par leurs œuvres.
The Bible is telling us that you are going to know them by their works.
Bakoyebaka moko na musala na ye.
You are going to know each other by their works.
Nde yango bambuma.
That is their fruit.
Mbuma eza ntango mutu asali musala sikoyo mbuma oyo ezobota. Mbuma wana ya koyiba. Mbuma wana ya kofinga.
It's like when a person is giving fruit, they are saying, ah, this fruit is for thief, this fruit is for a gangster.
Yango totangi na mokanda Esaïe.
That's why we are reading a book of Isaiah.
Pour nous comprendre vraiment définition
To
bien ya
understand nicely the
ya
definition of debauch.
débauche. Esaïe chapitre 5 le verset 18.
Isaiah chapter 5 verse 18.
Natangi na français pe na interprétant na lingala. Malheur à ceux qui tuent l'iniquité avec les cordes du vice et le péché comme avec les traits d'un char. Balobi na biso ezali mawa to pe douleur to pe malheureux.
Is really painful or is really a shame
Pasi na moto azo continuer ko benda mabe sur na mabe.
for a person that used to just take bad to bad.
Donc mutu azo cultiver mabe na place ya malamu.
A person is just cultivating
Donc
bad
azo
things.
tira azo benda ngo vraiment na singa.
He's really pulling it with a rope.
Babengi on m'accorde.
They really called it a robe.
Donc tant que moto azomene vie ya débauche,
So when a person is living a
asa
debauched
moto oyo
life,
akomi doué.
he became a person
Ils
who
ben ah
know.
mwana wana vraiment c'est un génie hein.
The way they used to say, ah, this child is a genius.
Tant que peut habiter OK yo vivre na kati ya débauche.
When they are telling you also
Mon
you
frère, ma
used to
sœur,
live
faut
in
les là.
debauch, you brothers,
Il faut les là.
you have to cry.
Hein, il faut les
You
là.
have to cry.
Il faut les là.
You have to cry.
Ça serait comme ça là wana. Ah, yo exagéré.
If they are telling you what you used to do, they you
Il faut se côté là
exaggerate.
pour exagérer dans les cambonini.
You have to look at exaggerating is one
Hein?
thing.
Pour ceux qui ont commis, bah c'est quand même exagérer, ça que ça soit insupportable.
If they say you are exaggerating, it means you are unsupportable.
Cela ce n'est pas bien.
Then it's not good.
Cela ce n'est pas
Then it's
bien.
not good.
Bien aimé dans le Seigneur,
Beloved,
la débauche
debauch,
ezali eloko oyo
it's something
moto
that
akomi nango déjà expert.
it's something that a person is already an expert.
La débauche peut ezali caractéristique ya vie moko spirituelle ya désordre.
It's also a characteristic of disorder spiritual life.
Donc la débauche est la caractéristique d'un désordre spirituel du péché où on trouve l'impudicité, l'idolâtrie dans beaucoup d'aspects.
Debauch is the spiritual disorder where we are finding in impudicity and also idolatry and others.
Donc,
again.
il y a forme
In all their form,
na ba aspect belé.
in many aspects.
Donc mutu vraiment donc contrôle les alis.
So a person is no more even control of himself.
Il n'a plus honte.
He's no more feeling shame.
Il n'a plus honte.
He's no more feeling shame.
Tu comprends les malins bien.
We are going to understand nicely, beloved.
Na ba forme ya débauche.
In form of debauch,
Tous en avons plusieurs formes ya débauche.
we have many form of
Oui, attends,
debauch.
on consiste à la main lelo te.
Even me, I was a
Mais na moke o na yebi na on apprendra.
It's more that I know that
Na remeka un peu ko expliquer bino.
I'll try to explain you.
Premièrement,
The first one,
toko mona pe mutu azo vivre azo mener vie na kati ya débauche.
we can see a person is living in debauch,
Lokola un akoyiba.
like one stealing.
D'abord koyiba ezani.
Stealing is what?
Quand on
first?
dit il a volé.